Starting up with the accessory installation. First off, we're installing all the basic protectors. The brand which I've selected for this is Motor Trends. I've been using this brand for almost all the bikes. Tank traction grips, as well as it protects from the scratches. So it's a four-piece adhesive-based tank grips. The alcohol uh, swabs. Let's prepare the tank. Installing the fork seals from Motor Trends. So I'm removing the front guard. Also to understand how it's mounted to the bike. Using this time to clean the suspension. Needs to be torqued at 10 Newton meters.